Welcome everyone for the US stock indices, NASDAQ, SPX, and Dow Jones. We're gonna see what happened today, what we might expect next. So as you mentioned, this is an ending diagonal there, unfolding for NASDAQ. Even can be, of course, even an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finish. Since of course the wave 4 didn't really interfere so much in the wave 1. Was like a very tiny gap in between, so it can be even a finished impulse there, and we push toward the downside impulsively for our red zone area here as expected after hitting the green zone, and we're looking for an impulse and very likely to be an ABC or even finished ABC internally for wave 4, and you push toward the upside. That because the wave 2 here is very shallow. I would say on the 1 hour chart you can see it much more clearer. We have 1 2 1 2 and a wave 3 4 and a 5, and currently we're looking for a very fast wave 4 in this wide scenario. Therefore, you're looking here for a potential ABC zigzag, which it is a 1 2 3 4 and a 5, very shallow wave B. And as of course as a signal that it is a wave B is that you didn't took the 0.38 taken from the 1 to the wave 2 in case it is a wave 2. Therefore, it is higher probability that this is your wave A, B, and a C, that it might be a fast wave 4, and of course, pushing toward the upside. Therefore, what I'm looking for after finishing this impulse, that it might be a little bit strong toward the downside. So we might get a wave 5 directly here. Yeah, so we might get exactly this, guys. So and very likely that this wave 4 comes back, of course, for the previous wave 4, which is, of course, around this area, meaning, yeah, it can be even deeper to hit the 0.38. Be careful with it. It can be a large ABC here and then pushing toward the upside. But I doubt it that is going to be very deeper than that. So we'll see what's going to happen over there. In case that this is gonna break, of course, our invalidation. Don't forget, this is your invalidation currently, $28K $434. If the price will hit the invalidation, that means, of course, we are still in a large bear market, meaning it's a large 3 ways down, 3 ways up, and then you push even for a lower wave C, which is gonna hit our bear market, of course, 0.618. Testing another deeper wave too, but I doubt this. So far, I still see, of course, something bullish here, that it can continue toward the upside. We'll see how this is going to unfold for NASDAQ. So currently, I'm still looking for lower, of course, to dive a little bit much more deeper inside the red box. For SPX also is hitting our red box area here. We are alternating currently away for in this blue scenario here. This blue scenario is gonna, of course, represent our wave 4. However, that is a problem as well. I mean, with this move here, it looks for me 3 waves, guys. So it didn't complete even our ending diagonal, so directly broken. So that is not nice. I would say it's a longer even wave 5, and that means, of course, this is an A, B, and a C, and can be finished over there is an expanding flat. So A, B, and a C here that you are looking at in this case. And that means it's too early even to call wave 4 in the blue. And that means, of course, your wave 4 in this color, which is the white here, is still unfolding and looking as double 1, 2, wave 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5 might hit still, of course, lower prices. Let me check again the high here. Let me get exact price for that wave 4. So this wave 4 is based on that wave 2 in the white here. So yes, we are inside it. So we might still hit the 0.38, 7K 668 in case, of course, it wants to finish the last 4 and a 5 here as an A, B, and a C. Now, it is very clear that this is corrective. And that you're still looking, of course, after 3 ways up, hitting the high, you're still looking for something to push for higher again. Therefore, I'm expecting also this. The same as NASDAQ, by the way, it's very in confluence with the scenario. I'm still looking for that, all right? I'm still looking for that, and I'm still looking for the green zone. By the way, it was not hit. Our target also is not hit. So I doubt so much that we finished something here. Despite that this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, don't forget this is a wave C, A, B, C. So don't get confused with that, that it is a wave 5. It is not a wave 5, of course. So wave 4 is extending here, and we're looking still for something to push for higher one more time again there. Yeah, so basically I'm going even with a 60 against a 40 here for the bearish, and then once we get a nice signal, then we push again 10% for the bullish, meaning going back to 70%. But currently I'm gonna of course give the correction its probabilities. For Dow Jones is also still very red, I would say, in this area where we are looking for this large correction after a wave 3. Now, I'm wondering, okay, it's a wave 2. I know it is bigger in time, but the double time has been reached. And also 1, 2, 3 here, unfolding 4 and a 5 is getting closer to push for higher. All right, so we are very close here after a 1, 2 and a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 for wave 3, 4 and a 5 potentially, and then pushing toward the upside. I'm still looking for this red zone area here to see what's gonna do inside it. If we break it, then okay, it's a red flag. If we break this area, it's a red flag, meaning we're going to the invalidation, meaning once you break this area, we go directly 50-50 here, and once you take the invalidation, then it's 60% bearish. We'll see what's going to happen, but still too early, of course, to go bearish. So we'll see what's going to happen inside this red zone. That was it for the US stock indices. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Welcome to KG Trading Discord community, the place where you get everything you need to stay updated with the market, get important community news, weekly reports, channel updates, all in one place. Be the first to know when a new YouTube video or member-only video is available with instant notifications in our Discord. Receive quick morning market updates before YouTube analysis for Bitcoin, gold, silver, and the US stock indices. You can request a technical analysis for your favorite crypto coins or stocks and join our communities for crypto stocks and metals. Get trading signals, entry levels, targets, and risk management strategies to help you trade with more confidence and more safety. You also get access to our trading view charts, Elliott Wave setup, and special KG trading indicators. You can join us through Patreon or YouTube membership using the links below. I'm looking forward to welcoming you to the KG trading community.